Hey guys, I am so excited. I just got my FabFitFun winter box. It's all about winter cozies, it's holiday season, and I really want you to get yours, and you can get $10 off using my code with your first box. So let's check it out. I don't know about you, but this blanket might be my new favorite thing. It is Unhide for love, not fur. Faux fur, fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh. No animals were harmed in the making of this. Everyone knows that I'm all about trying to save animals, but you gotta see how big this is, because I still can't figure out like how they got this in the box. And this is one of my customized items. On the website, you can customize a bunch. You'll get 2 items automatically, and then you can choose which ones you want. And I feel like this one, everybody's gonna choose. Oh my God. I just want like a wine and a fire right now, and I'd be perfect. So that is like the item. It's literally half the box, but not only that, there is 8 more. It's ridiculous. This is the best box ever. This is makeup eraser. I actually use these and I buy them online. So the fact that FabFitFun now has them in a box not only will save me a ton of money, but it's able to get it out to everybody to show how awesome it is. It is a reusable cloth to exfoliate, clean, and wash your face and get rid of all your makeup. Game changer. And it's not like, you're throwing out your makeup wipes every time. You're able to reuse it, throw it in the wash with your clothes, and you're good to go. One of my favorite makeup removers. Let's see. I love my lashes. I am like super obsessed with lashes. So we have Wispy, made from 100% synthetic silk, which is awesome. Baddington Beauty. I love them. I'm gonna probably put them on tonight when I go out. Who am I kidding? I'm a mom. I will be sleeping by 7 p.m. These 2 items actually automatically come with your box, and you can customize the rest. So you have the makeup eraser, and then you have Prep Rally, Prime and Prep Detangler for your hair. Smells amazing. Formulated with biotin, vitamin B, C, UV blockers. And then we have Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash, Common Clean Yoga. Huge. Winter, germs, kids, school, snot, all the nasties. This is like, it just needs to be a staple of your house, and just use it constantly. Take it from me, mom of 2 that go to school, you need this. And it's lavender oil. It has lavender oil in it, so it's probably really hydrating on your skin, because if you are constantly washing, your hands can get really dry. So I definitely recommend this. And then we have Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner, which is amazing. This helps clean your makeup brushes. You just roll them over it. You should be cleaning your makeup brushes. A lot of my friends are like, oh, you're supposed to do that? Yes, you're supposed to do that. And this makes it easy. And it comes in your FabFitFun box. So it's a no-brainer. You should really get this. It's instantly cleans, reusable. You don't need liquid or any cleaners. You just push it over. Oh, I'm going to actually use this on the makeup brushes I just used. Simply wash with soap and water, lay flat to dry. You're done. Perfect. Ooh. Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette. Proof is in the pudding. All right. Oh my God. These are so cute for winter. Let me just check the color. They have like such beautiful shimmer. Oh my God. I love this chai. Look how nice that chai pops. I feel like these should be must-have colors for winter. It's all about the bronze, the darks, and I love the shimmer. I customized for this because I'm really trying to stay up on my makeup game. These YouTubers that are 12-year-old have like got me beat on a regular day. Like I'm still trying to learn from like the simple 12-year-old YouTuber. So this will be added to my collection. And last but not least, my comfies. This box goes out, it's like all the moms, like makeup cleaner, makeup remover, Got your blanket, you got your slippers. All I need is red wine and I'm good to go for my winter. These comfies are, oh, they're so warm. The inside is insulated with fake fur. They're super comfy. Perfect for winter. Anyways, I can't believe we got to fit all that in this FabFitFun box. That was insane. You guys really need to try the FabFitFun winter box. Just alone, the blanket is worth $65. And with my code and getting $10 off, you can get the whole box for $39.99. I feel like that's a no-brainer. And I'm just saying, this might be the comfiest blanket ever.